Good morning. So for today's packet, remember that you're still reading this first paragraph up here. And we're going to scroll down to Tuesday. So you're going to start by reading the article in spiders. Most of us has seen a spider web, but many of us do not know how a spider makes its web. A spider makes its web from silk. Spiders use their spinnerets to spin silk. Their silk is in a liquid form when it comes out of the spider's spinneret. As it dries, it becomes a strong thread. Some of the silk is sticky. Spiders use their silk to make their webs. They catch insects in their sticky webs. Wherever spiders go, they spin a long line of silk behind them. This is called a drag line. Spiders can use their drag lines to escape from sudden danger. Spiders can climb down their drag lines to the ground and climb up their drag lines to their webs. Some spiders even use their drag lines to catch insects. Spiders use their silk for more than webs. They also can spin silk to make their homes. A spider's home is called a den. Spiders spin silk to make a bag for their eggs too. When the baby spiders hatch, they start to spin their own silk and leave a line of silk wherever they go. Their first question, what is a spider's home called and what is it made of? So you are going to write, if you have the printed packet, you're going to write a spider's home is called, and then you're going to tell me it is made of, and then you're going to tell me, how do spiders use drag lines? So I'm going to insert my text box. I'm going to say spiders use drag lines by, and then tell me why, because remember we're using our races, restating, answering the question. In this passage, is this passage fiction or nonfiction? How can you tell? So for this one, you need to remember, is fiction real or not real? Or is nonfiction real or not real? Then for this one, just kind of like yesterday's, you are finding the nouns in each sentence. So underline the nouns in each sentence below. Each sentence has more than one noun. So the difference is this paper does not tell you how many nouns are in each sentence. Remember, a noun is a person, place, or thing. Then you're going to use the same kind of thing that you did on yesterday's paper, using this ruler on the bottom. Find items around the room to measure. Use a standard unit of measurement, a ruler, and a non-standard unit of measurement, a paperclip, a penny, or something else, and then draw a picture to show your findings. The first one is done for you. Sorry, the writing is really small on my computer. So you are going to pick an item, then you are going to measure using the ruler, and then you're going to find something around your house. Like, I don't know. I'm going to use a Post-it note to measure how many Post-it notes it would be. Oops. And then for this one, you're going to watch the video of the symbols of the United States and answer the questions. Tell how the U.S. flag has changed over time. My races, the U.S. flag has changed over time because, and then tell me why. Name a symbol. Tell facts that you learned about the symbol. For this one, it's fine to just put the name of the symbol, and then you could just write like bullets and tell me facts like that. You don't need to use erases for this. Same thing on the bottom.